got the tree fitting inside. Going to tint the tail lights. As for some reason, I don't know why it's taking me so long to do it, but needs doing. I actually cleared these up. They had a bunch of old film stuck to them, so I spent yesterday scraping that off. But yeah, I'm gonna get that off. Well, that is off. Luke's got something to say about that. So I'll probably lift these lights right out because they're a bit close in places, like right up there. So lift them out, give them a good clean all the way around the outside, and yeah, get some of the vivid medium tint on there, and yeah, see how that looks. That's why it's a good idea to pop them out if you can. Never would have cleaned all that off. Quickly mounted it back onto the car just with one bolt because it's actually easier to try and wrap things when something's actually holding it still. As nice as it would be to have it on the table so I could get all the way around it, I'll probably get the film on and then take it back out again just to go around the edges so I can tuck it in properly. But having the car actually makes it a lot easier to wrap it. Alright, so I've got a bit of film cut that is plenty of length and width to cover the whole thing. Peel that off and start getting into place. What do you think? Better? There it is. It's vivid medium tint. It's not full dark. Definitely like that. Next job though is going to be the windows. Because I haven't got any tint on these at the moment. I probably need some.